Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Glossybox. So if you want to see what's inside in Glossybox March 2022, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yeah, if you're new to Glossybox, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.25, and every month you will get 5 beauty products from skincare to makeup. If you want to subscribe to Glossybox, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, Jayca, and you will get your box for only £10, including the shipping fee. So yes, all the info, as always, all the link will be in the description box below. Yes, let's open this box. So this month box, lovelies, is their usual box, which is the pink box. So it says Glossybox in here. Let's open it. We have the ribbon, the pink tissue paper, the sticker. It's really cute, the sticker this month. And then we have the card. Let's see first this one. So this is this month magazine, and it says Glossy, step into the world of beauty adventure. So this month theme is Glossy Wonderland. And let's see first the sneak peek for next month, the spoiler. So for next month, lovelies, we will receive is from Sun and Sky, and this is the Super Bounce Mask. And it says, bringing back your skin bounce. This ultra nourishing hydration mask is packed with super potent antioxidant and will provide a megawatt glow in just 10 minutes. So you love this. So this is the next month spoiler. Also, lovelies, in this booklet, they have the Easter egg limited edition, and it says here, forget chocolate. Beauty Easter eggs are the only ones we're lasting after this year. The Glossybox Easter egg limited edition is back this April and better than ever, bursting at its seams with hair care, skincare, and stunning cosmetics from brands such as Too Faced, Laura Mercier, and Frank Body. You will need to act fast to get yours. On sale Wednesday, 8th of April for only £25. So once I get more info of this Easter egg, lovelies, I will do my lineup. So let's open this month, lovelies. So let's open it. So let's start first with the spoiler for this month, and this is from Elikia Beauty. So this one is the Roselle Liquid Highlighter, and this is a full size, and it's retail for £12.80, and it says an all-natural highlighter enriched with essential hibiscus oil. This lightweight formula immediately adds a luxurious rosy glow to your skin. Simply apply the subtle pink highlighter onto the high points on your face for a sun-kissed shine. Or if you want to take your base up a gear, try mixing a few drops into your foundation for a subtle finish. Let's swatch it. Ooh, look at that. Let's swatch on my hand. I won't put a lot. It's very liquidy, very shimmery. Ooh, this is nice. Very shimmer. It has a lot of glitter inside, but it's kind of subtle. It's not really that flashy highlighter. Very subtle. It's quite moisturizing too, quite sticky, but yeah, it has loads of glitter inside. So this is the first product, and the next one we have here, and this is the only one I won't use because I don't use fake tan, and this is from James Read Gradual Tan Sleep Mask Tan Body. It has 100 ml. I am pretty sure this is a travel size. Let's see. Oh no, this is a full size, lovelies, and it's retail for £21, and it says develop a natural looking sun-kissed glow with the stunning essential, developing through the night during your skin most receptive hours. It expertly transforms into a light sun skin that can be built upon for a more intense color. Plus, this fast drying formula is a colorless too, to keep bedsheet and PJs clean. Ooh, this one is rated for 21 pounds, and as I said, I won't use this one because I don't use fake tan. And then this one I'm really excited. This is from Filou, I think, and this is the Cocoa Cocktail Made with Love Creamy Shower Foam. Here we go. So this one, it has 200 ml, so I'm pretty sure this is a full size. Oh, smells like coconut. Oh, smells nice. I don't really like smell of coconut, but this one is quite subtle smell. A full size, and it's retail for £3.99, and it says upgrade your shower experience with a luxurious shower foam from Filou. There are multiple gorgeously scented options up for grabs, including Cocoa Cocktail, Tasty Donut, Pink Melon, and Fizzy Berry. So you can receive, lovelies, either this one or Tasty Donut, Pink Melon, or the Fizzy Berry, which each have their own skin loving benefits too. Which will you receive? But also, lovelies, you can receive or this one or the one from Bubble Tea. But either way, lovelies, both will smell gorgeous because this one smells gorgeous. Yeah, you will. This one is the Peony and Cherry Blossom. The Bubble Tea, it's rated for £5. This one £3.99, so there's not a lot of difference. And then the next one we have, this is from Magnetone, I think. Wipe Out the Amazing Microfiber Cleansing Cloth. Here we go, and let's open it. Let's see inside, shall we? Oh, here we go. Perfect size too. I don't really like those big one, lovelies, because I kind of use just one side, but this is a perfect size for all over your face, and I really like the color. And this one, it's retail for £8. It's a full size, and it's very, very soft, lovelies. Very, very soft. And it says ditch wasteful face wipes for good, and instead offer this Wipe Out Microfiber Cleansing Cloth. Super soft, but with the ability to remove even tough, most long-wearing makeup. With just warm water, you will wonder what you ever did before owning this must-have tool. When used, just wash and reuse thousands of times too. So yes, it's very, very, very soft. And then we have, I think this is the last product we have here as makeup, a beauty product, and this is from KNDR, Kinder, I think, I'm not sure. And this is the Mood Stick. This is the product that I'm really, really curious to try. So this is a full size, and it's retail for £17. As I said, I was really curious to try this. It looks like this. The packaging, it's so gorgeous. Love the packaging, and it looks like this. It doesn't smell of anything, to be honest, lovelies, and it's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous lipstick. Can't wait to try this one. And it says that this is no ordinary lipstick. This color shifting lipstick transforms just for you, from shade Never Blue to a pH perfect tone for your lips, changing colors right before your eyes. Bright blue turns to beautiful baby pink. It will also leave a sheer looks finish that hydrates your lips from dawn to dusk. So yes, can't wait to try this one. And then as a treat, lovelies, in this box I received my favorite one, and this is from Malo and Marsh. I love marshmallow with chocolate. I don't mind the other one, which is the Ferrero, I think. Yes, the Ferrero one. It's one of my favorite too, but I don't really mind receiving this one. This is the vanilla marshmallow bar coated in milk chocolate. So yes, so that's it, lovelies. As you can see, that's all. Let's do a recap. So as a treat, you will receive this one or the other one, which is, I think it's a Ferrero one. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm happy to receive it. And then you will receive a full size from Elikia Beauty. This is the rose one. And then you will receive, I think it's a full size from James Read, the Sleep Mask Tan Body. And the size, lovelies, it's perfect size, as you can see. Has 100 ml. And this is the only product I won't use because I don't use fake tan. But this is really a great idea if you use fake tan, lovelies. You just need to apply this on before bed, and yeah, you get your tan. And then the full size from Filou, the Cocoa Cocktail Made with Love Shower Foam. And then you will receive a full size from KNDR. I really hope I pronounce properly the brand. And this is the Mood Stick. Can't wait to try this. And then the full size from Magnetone London Wipeout. And this one, lovelies, it's very, very, very soft. Very, very soft. So that's all, lovelies. Overall, this month it's thumbs up for me. I will use 4 out of 5 products because I don't usually use fake tan, so I won't use that one. But overall, for me, this month is a thumbs up. That's the thing that I like from Glossybox, that most of the products, lovelies, we didn't receive yet in other subscription boxes. There's a good selection of the products this month. Yes, that's all for me, lovelies. What do you think of this month Glossybox, lovelies? Are you waiting for this month? Are you thinking to subscribe to Glossybox this month? If yes, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, JAYCA, and you will get this box for only £10, including the shipping fee. So yes, as always, all the link, all the info will be in the description box below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.